guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just gonna keep it chill. Yeah, we're gonna do a POV drive because some of you guys on Instagram asked me to do more of them. And why not? Because those videos usually do the best. Out of all the videos that I put out, is usually the point of view videos that do the best on Instagram. And if you don't believe me, here's a couple screenshots over here and over here and over here. Why not give the audience what they want? We're gonna use the GoPro because there's this thing called infinity focus, and infinity focus is pretty much when no matter what I do with the GoPro, everything from any distance will be in focus. Ready for this drive? 3, 2, 1. I love those upshifts.
Mission failed.
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I got some really nice pops here and there. Yeah, if you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. Definitely make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's at amgenetics, and it's also gonna be in the description below. If there's anything else you guys want me to do besides POVs, let me know in the comments. I definitely read all of them. YouTube comments is probably the best way to reach out to me, or DM me on Instagram. Yeah, hopefully you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.